How to know who unfriended you on Facebook. In today's tutorial, we're going to answer a question that a lot of people have. How can you tell who unfriended you on Facebook? Whether it's someone you notice isn't in your friend list anymore or you're just curious, I'll walk you through some Facebook methods that can help you figure it out. Now, Facebook doesn't give you an official notification when someone unfriends you, which can make it tricky to keep track, but don't worry, there are a few ways you can find out. The first way to check is by going through your friends list. This is the most straightforward method, but it can be time consuming if you have a lot of friends. Open Facebook and go to your profile. Now simply click on friends. Click on see all friends. Now scroll through the list and see if there's anyone missing that you remember being friends with. If you don't see someone, chances are they've unfriended you. While this method works, it's not the most efficient if you have a ton of friends. Luckily, there are easier ways. Now another way is by using Facebook's search function. Now here in the friends section, you can simply type the name of the person in the search bar. If the profile shows up in here, it means they are in your friend, but if you can't find them, it means they've unfriended you or blocked you. Just keep in mind that if someone has their profile privacy set to friends only or private, you might not able to find them even if they're still friends with you. So there you have it. While Facebook doesn't notify you when someone unfriends you, these methods should help you figure it out.